students. In module 3 we discussed about the remainder theorem. Today we are going to learn some algebraic identities. So already we discussed 4 algebraic identities in 8th class. What is meant by an identity? An identity is an equality which is true for all values of variables. So what are the 4 algebraic identities we used in 8th class? One is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x of a plus b plus ab. So these 4 algebraic identities we used in 8th class. Now some more algebraic identities we will learn in 9th class. Those are, one is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Today we learn all these 3. Some more are there, we will add in the next class. Now take the first one. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we will see are they equal or not. Take the LHS. What is LHS here? A plus b plus c whole square. Okay, now here in the LHS a plus b plus c whole square. Expand this. So how many times here it is there? 2 times. So expand. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So this is a trinomial, this is also a trinomial. You know how to multiply trinomial by trinomial. So take a of a plus b plus c plus b of a plus b plus c plus c of a plus b plus c. Now multiply, take this a inside. So here is multiply. A into a square, a into b, ab, plus a into c, ac, plus b into a, ab, plus b into b, b square, plus bc, plus ac, plus cb, plus c square. So these are the terms related. Now here in this expression find out any like terms are there or not. Here AB, is there any AB term? Yes. Here one more AB. Here AC, AC, and BC, BC. CB and BC are both are same. Now simplify the like terms, write the answer. So here a square plus b square plus c square, here a square plus b square plus c square, plus here AB plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So which is nothing but RHS. So here RHS is a plus b plus c whole square. What we got in RHS? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is one algebraic identity. Now for this algebraic identity we will see how the problems we can do by using this identity. Now take, suppose here the question is expand x plus y minus 3z whole square is given. So expand x plus y minus 3z whole square. Okay. Now see here, the given question is x plus y minus 3z whole square. This one you compare with this a plus b plus c whole square. Comparing with a plus b plus c whole square. Here in place of a, what is in the given question? X. In place of b, what is there? Y. In place of c, what is there? Minus 3z. Here according to formula it is plus. Here it is minus. So what is the c value? Minus 3z. Now here a plus b plus c whole square, what is the identity we have? Other side a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, so a square, here x, a is x, so a square means x square plus b, what is b here? Y, so b square plus c value is minus 3z, so minus 3z whole square plus 2ab, 2ab means 2 into a into b, so this is 2ab plus 2bc, 2bc, this is 2bc plus 2ca. So this is 2ca. Here this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the expanding form. Now simplify this. Here x square means x square plus y square plus here minus 3z whole square means what? Minus 3z we have to multiply, expand 2 times and we have to multiply. So number to number, minus 3, how much you get? 9. Z into z, z square. So minus 3z whole square is nothing but 9z square. Okay. Now here 2xy means you will get 2xy. Here the numbers are 2 into minus 3. It is minus 6. Here minus plus you will get minus 6. And the variables are y into z, yz. Now here the numbers are 2 and minus 3. Multiply those two. 2 into minus 3 minus. So minus here plus minus you will get 6. And the variables are x into z, xz. So what is the expanding form of this x plus y minus z whole square? It is nothing but x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 2xy minus 6yz minus 6xz. Is it clear, children? Now we will do the next one. Now we will take the next identity. What is our next identity? A plus b whole cube. What is the a plus b whole cube? Here this is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now take the LHS. What is LHS here? A plus b whole cube. Now expand this. Here how to write a plus b whole square into a plus b. Here 3 times it's there. So we have to expand a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, and also we can write, because we know what is a plus b whole square, so directly we can apply that one. So we are splitting this a plus b whole cube as a plus b whole square into a plus b. So already we know what is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and multiply this. Now same. So this is a trinomial, this is a binomial. We know how to multiply this. Take a square of a plus b plus 2ab of a plus b plus b square of a plus b. Now take this a square and multiply. Take 2 inside and multiply. A square into a cube plus a square into b, a square b plus 2 and a square into a square into a square, here b. So here a 2ab into a is nothing but 2a square b plus 2a here b here b. So b square plus b square into a b square a plus here b square into b cube. Now we have to observe any like terms are there in this expression. Here a cube is only one term, a square b, here a square b. So here 1a square b, here 2a square b. So totally 3a square b. And ab square here also ab square. So total 3a square b. Now write, simplify and write. Here these two are the like terms. So 3a square b. Here also there are 3. So 3a square b plus b cube, which is nothing now RHS. So what is the a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now on this formula we do one problem. Now take 2x plus 3y whole cube. Now we will see how to expand this by using this algebraic identity. Now comparing the given expression with the a plus b whole cube. Now in place of a, what is here? 2x. In place of b, what is here? 3y. Okay. Now according to this identity, we have to expand. Here what is the other side? A cube. So 2x whole cube plus 3a square into b. Here this is 3, this is a square, this is b. Plus 3ab square, 3 into a into b square. This is 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now expand this. 2x whole cube is nothing but what? How many times we have to expand? 3 times. Expand 3 times and multiply. Here the numbers, if you multiply, how much you will get? 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. X, it is x cube. So this is 2x whole cube is nothing but 8x cube plus, here see 3, here 2x square is nothing but 2x into 2x, it is 4x square. Okay, into 3y. So this is 3a square b value plus here 3 into 2x into this is 3y whole square is nothing but 9y square. 3y whole square is nothing but 3y into 3y. It is 9y square. Plus similarly see 3y whole cube is 3y into 3y into 3y. So how to see 3y into 3y into 3y. So 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. Y into y cube. So that value is 27 y cube. Still we can simplify it. See 8x whole cube. Here we have to multiply these numbers 3, 4, 3. So 3 into 3 9. 9 4s are 36 x square here y. Now here what is the number? 3 into 2 6. 6 9s are 54 x y square plus this is 27 y cube. Now what is the other side of this 2x plus 3y whole cube? 8x cube plus 36 x square y plus 54 x y square plus 27 y cube. So similarly we can use the other algebraic identity. Okay. So I hope you all understood the today's module. Thank you.